Embracing frugality and minimalism, a path to personal and financial flourishing. In a world often characterized by excess and extravagance, the virtues of frugality and minimalism stand as guiding beacons toward a life of fulfillment and prosperity. These principles extend beyond mere budgeting. They delve deep into the realms of personal growth, financial well-being, and the inherent beauty found in simplicity and moderation. Join me on a journey to explore the tenfold wisdom that frugality and minimalism offer, illuminating the path to a more enriched existence. 1. By adopting frugality and minimalism, we become conscious of our spending habits. Rather than pursuing fleeting material desires, we focus on what truly matters. This mindful approach empowers us to allocate resources wisely and invest in experiences that enrich our lives. 2. Minimalism prompts us to declutter both our physical and mental spaces. As we rid ourselves of unnecessary possessions and distractions, we make room for what brings us genuine joy. A clutter-free environment nurtures creativity and cultivates a sense of tranquility. 3. Simplicity isn't a lack of complexity, it's a celebration of essentials. Through frugality and minimalism, we learn to appreciate the elegance in simplicity. Whether it's a minimalist home design or streamlining daily routines, we discover the profound beauty in life's unembellished aspects. 4. Frugality and minimalism prompt us to question the prevailing culture of consumption. By adopting a more intentional approach to acquiring possessions, we contribute to a shift away from overconsumption and its negative impacts on the planet. 5. A focus on frugality fosters financial resilience. By living within our means and building a safety net, we gain peace of mind in the face of unforeseen challenges. This security liberates us to explore new opportunities and pursue our passions. 6. The heart of minimalism lies in valuing experiences over possessions. Through this shift, we treasure memories, connections, and personal growth more than material accumulation, leading to a more fulfilling life journey. 7. Minimalism extends beyond the material world. It influences our mental and physical well-being. A clutter-free environment reduces stress and cultivates a serene ambience that nurtures our mind-body connection. 8. Frugality encourages us to appreciate what we have rather than yearning for what we don't. This practice of gratitude and contentment enriches our daily lives and helps us break free from the cycle of perpetual longing. 9. Minimalism aligns with a sustainable lifestyle, as it discourages unnecessary consumption and waste. By embracing this approach, we contribute to a more ethical and ecologically responsible existence. 10. The beauty of frugality and minimalism lies in the balance they advocate. Striking a harmonious equilibrium between indulgence and restraint, we find a path to both personal growth and financial well-being. Conclusion. Embracing frugality and minimalism isn't a restrictive choice, but a liberating one. It empowers us to redefine our relationship with possessions, wealth, and the world around us. Through mindful consumption, appreciation of simplicity, and prioritization of experiences, we uncover a deeper connection to ourselves and the environment.